Can I just be a passenger princess for the rest of my life? Like, is that too much? Baddie for me, period. Who the baddie? Is me or me? I know that's right. Not us for getting medicine bottle on top of the fucking car top. I think I need to get a new camera because this camera is starting to not perform in low lights, which I don't understand because that was never the issue. I don't know what camera to get. So yeah. And appreciate all the happy birthdays. Thank you so much. Pisces season, period. Pisces are the best.
No, the fuck they're not, but whatever.
Okay, we're not about to argue. That's a different story for another day.
Leos are the best.
I haven't been to the beauty supply store in so long. But I think I need some Moroccan oil for my wigs and a tail comb. I got this one because I like how it looks. I normally get the regular tail comb. What else I need? Does this one match my color? Yeah. Yo, look what I see in the beauty supply store. The good old days.
Yo, I had the longest day at work today. Like, I was legit sleeping on my break time, which never happens. And right now I'm getting ready to go out, and y'all, my birthday was freaking amazing. Like, the restaurant where I went, the food was perfect. Like, the drinks was on point. Food, 10 out of 10. Like, it was giving, honestly. Even the appetizer, I think I had scallops. That shit was bomb. And tonight I think I'm going to a hookah lounge. I also have to go tomorrow too, but that's a lot of going out. A bitch is tired, okay? I'm getting old. I don't have all that energy like I did when I was young. Yeah, tell me why I posted a video on my birthday, right? The first day when I did, I think I had like 100 views. Then the following day I just woke up to like 463 views, which is crazy because I'm like, who the fuck talking about me? Anyway, I checked it later that day, and then it went to 363, which I'm confused about. And then like today I checked, that shit is like 200 and something. Like, I don't know, like it's just weird. Let me just hop in the shower because this place closes at 2. It's like almost 9 o'clock. I don't feel like doing makeup, to be honest. I just don't want to go, like I'm tired, but I'm being forced to go. So, and y'all, the razors that I bought, don't buy them. Do not buy them. And I'm so fucking stupid because I know better. Like, I do know better. The razors that I normally use is for men, and like men razors is so much better. Like, I don't know what kind of sorcery they did making men razors, but they need to bring that energy to the female razors, because there's no reason for me, like every time I shave I'm getting cut. And this thing that I got from Target, I'm freaking obsessed. Like, I wish I had bought it sooner, but the only reason I didn't get it sooner because I'm the type of person, I don't really like to do what everybody's doing, but I had to change of heart and I just had to get it. But it's like really fucking good, like really good. I love it. Like, rag who? See, boy, I almost get licked down. Yo, I miss this juice. You never like the juice, right?
Y'all, I have a video to record that's past overdue for a company. Like, they've been waiting, but I gotta get it done. And like right now, as y'all can see, a bitch is not in the mood. I'm not in the mood. But one thing I'm happy about is that my sit down camera is like working. So let me just fix my hair and get this shit rolling.
Hey guys, happy Friday. So I'm about to go get my nails done. Like, them press-ons were good and all, but I just love me a good acrylic. I think I'm going short, but I don't really know what color I want. So we'll see. And I also have a lash appointment today at 5:15. So yeah, that's what my day is looking like. And I feel like I want to go out tonight, but I'm not really sure. But let me hurry up because my appointment right now is at 2. It's like 12. Wait, what? Why is the stove saying 12? Anyways, it's 1:35. And she's at a new location, so I don't know how long it takes. So I'm gonna see you guys when I get there. Also, I don't know if I told you guys this, but I've been doing a lot of driving because a bitch trying to get her license before the year end, and I'm like keeping my fingers crossed. But like, honestly, I really don't think driving is for me because I get super anxiety. Plus, people on the road don't know what the fuck they're doing. Like, can I just be a passenger princess for the rest of my life? Like, is that too much? Do y'all like my short nails? They're like super cute. And I think I like the off-white better than the full white, but these are given. So I'm trying out this new rosé. Hopefully it's good, but I'm about to drink me some wine and just edit my vlog. Y'all, look at my lashes. At first I didn't really like them, but they're growing on me. Period. I need to stop saying period, but guys, so tell me why come to buy food, right? The road that I had to drive on almost took my whole damn life. Like, I never see the road in a fine bad so yet remind me of Jamaica. No lie. Pothole for kill. I'm just kind of telling him, said, don't bring me back here, so. Don't bring me back over here. Me rather get out and walk or you drive, but don't bring me back here, so. It's freaking bricks outside today. Like, why the heck is it so cold? Let me see Jamaica. No, this is where I need to be. What?
I mean, where the fuck should I really even start? I got hoes that I'm keeping in the dark. I got my niggas across the street living large. Thinking back to the fact that they dead. Thought my raps full of facts, so they sat with the bars. I got 2 phones, one need to charge. They twins.
So it's the next day, and I'm like super tired, guys. I don't know. Lately, I haven't been feeling the best. But I just received this in the mail because I added to my subscription because they had sent me a sample and I didn't realize it says daily cleanse and it says help your skin and body. I can't really tell if it's actually working. I don't know if you guys can notice, but the mask has been breaking on my face. Like, they need to hurry up and kill the whole mask thing. But I'm starting to take this. I think I want to do the hair one, but then I don't because all I do is wear wigs. And I don't know why my camera looks so dark. And y'all don't mind my hair. Ooh, the sunlight's coming out. I'm starting to realize that my vlogs are getting shorter and shorter. Like, kid you not. When I be recording, I be feeling like, okay, Shakera, this is way too much
footage. Like, you don't have to vlog everything. I'm sorry. Then when I start to edit, it's like 8-9 minutes. Like, what? I honestly don't know what's going on with me.